why do you think like pirates are called pirates? Because they are. We're able to take this into schools to show little pirates in primary schools, in particularly the ages of 7 to like 12 years old, that they can R2, that they can refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and recycle plastic. We obviously start with storytelling. Secondly, then we take them through visuals of how plastic has really impacted sea life and marine life and land animals as well. And then we do arts and crafts. And lastly, we take them on a real treasure hunt. Children that have gone onto their first treasure hunt, cleaned up a beach within the space of 45 minutes. I think the program also does acknowledge the importance of plastic as a material that helps us so much. With this program, I really want us to create a generation that has a no trash but treasure mindset. So we are looking for partners that can help us scale, in that we can have more pirates like myself training other pirates, in particular women and girls, because if we're talking about the Afri-Plastics challenge, we want to have women and girls being part of the leaders that take this program forward. Our program has really the potential to really change ocean pollution, change any kind of pollution that we see, because people, or children rather, will be the new custodians of their environment within their confinement at every corner of the world.